we help people write with clarity and write with others in mind. We really believe that there's only one reason we write in business, and that is to achieve action. So we help people figure out how to put their thoughts in an email, in a memo, in a document in such a way that allows business to continue to move. When it comes to writing, we believe that there are three things you can control. You can control your words, so what words do you use in that document? You can control the way you organize your thoughts, so are you there to either inform the reader or are you there to persuade the reader? And then lastly, you can control the writing style. Our goal is that our participants walk away with concrete tools that they can use. So for some people it's avoiding a particular word, for other people it's really helping them figure out how do they craft that message and where do they put that in their document. So each person's going to take away something different.